atmosphere, or maybe it dims the lights, reducing the harsh glare of the dashboard. But what if your stress levels continue to rise? What if you're too distracted, too tired, or too overwhelmed to drive safely? That's where the true power of AI comes in. The car could take over the driving for you, safely navigating traffic while you take a moment to breathe, to relax, to regain your composure. The possibilities are truly endless. With AI, your car could become a sanctuary, a place of calm in the chaos of the daily grind. It's not just about getting from point A to point B anymore. It's about the journey, the experience, the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your car is looking out for you. In this way, AI technology in cars could help reduce stress, potentially improving our mental health. AI isn't just the future of driving, it's the future of well-being on the road. A future where your car isn't just a vehicle, but a partner, a guardian, a stress reliever. Now, isn't that a ride you'd like to take? So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the intriguing world of artificial intelligence and its potential in the realm of mental health. We've seen how this cutting-edge technology is not confined to the labs and tech firms, but is making its way into our everyday lives, even into our cars. We've discovered that AI, with its ability to learn from and adapt to our behaviors, can play a significant role in our vehicles. From personalized comfort settings to advanced safety measures, AI-driven cars can make our journeys more enjoyable and less stressful. Most importantly, we've explored how these smart, intuitive vehicles can help reduce stress. By recognizing signs of stress or fatigue in the driver, these AI-enabled cars can take measures to ensure our well-being, whether it's suggesting a break or adjusting the car's environment for maximum comfort. As AI continues to evolve, it's exciting to imagine the many ways it could enhance our lives and well-being. Who knows? Your next car could be your new ally in the fight against stress.